Hi there. Oh, excuse me. This is a product review on the Angelwax Angel. So it's mainly for interior use. Obviously not steering wheels or foot controls, handbrake or gear stick. It's mainly for plastics and vinyls like the you know, your door cards, and I think I've used it on dashboards before. I think it is quite shiny, but then if you go over it with microfiber and sort of, it will buff it down a little bit so it's not over glary. But the good thing about this is it's so it's quite thick, so when you're using it, it's not messy. I tend to find that a lot of the sort of dressing products that are sort of, you know, like gel based or like a lot thicker, some of them are the consistency, it's really messy to use, but this one isn't because it's quite thick. You know, I don't, you know, with the thinner, not thin like water, but sort of in between water and sort of, this is quite thick. When you're sort of using it and you're going like that, and as soon as you go like that, you know, it's sort of running down the bottle. But with this, you don't get any of that. The fragrance is actually really nice, not overpowering, but you know when you've used it. So it's another good product. You can put it on with a sponge or a microfiber pad. So it's yeah, really good product. I bought this mainly out of curiosity over the years, try it on my own cars, and yeah, it is definitely pretty good. I mean, I've had this bottle for quite some time now and I've still got a fair bit left. So it definitely goes a long way for sure. There we go, little review on the Angelwax Angel. If you're new to the channel, please consider subscribing. It'll help the channel loads. I'm trying to build the subscriber base. Please give the video a thumbs up if you liked it, or a thumbs down. Thank you very much. Have a great day.